Okay, let's work through these step by step. And so it says that you start this business and the price in 2001, you could almost put that up here, 2001 is £4.50. That's the base, and that's at the base of 100, right? So I'm just going to work through it, and I'll drop each one as I come through. So the key point here is that um, if I want to know what the price is here, right, I simply go 105 over 100 times £4.50. I mean, this is the increase in this first period, and I have 105 divided by 100 times £4.50, and that's what I'm going to do every time I'm dealing with. In fact, I'll just do that 4.73 because it wants me to round that up because my calculator was saying 4.725, and I'll do exactly the same thing here for 20x4. I'm just going to take that out and put here 110 because that is my base. 110 divided by 100 times 4.5, and I'm going to get here 4.95, and I'm going to do the last bit here where I'm going to have 115 divided by 100 times 4.5, and I'm going to get £5, 5.18. That's how I would treat that. Now, exactly the same approach is used when I'm going here this way, where I want to know that I know that it's £4.50 gives me 100. I will literally do the same thing, and I'm just going to do that. 4.87 divided by 4.5 times 100, right? Because it's just the other way. 4.87 divided by 4.5 times 100, and I have here a base of 108. I'll do the same thing again. 4.61 divided by 4.5 times 100. 4.61 divided by 4.5 times 100. You have a base of 102. I'm just rounding up to the nearest whole number. And finally, 4.82, which is what this one here is. This is 4.82 divided by 4.5 times 100 divided by 4.5 times 100 is 107, and that's the first part of that question. Right. So these are. Oops, took my headphones off there. So right, these are in the index, an index been given, and it tells you what is the percentage increase in price from 2004 to 2006. Well, we know what the index is, so we literally will basically we're asking for the change. What is the change between, if you like, that's what we're really asking, because that's the point. And so that change is 140 minus 115 divided by 115, and the change is 21.7%. So we see a 21.774% change from 2004 to 2006. So it says that the price in 2007, the price in 2005 is £10. We want to know what the price is in 2007. Well, the change, if you like, here we literally have 152 over 127 times £10, which is because that's the change. This is the change times that £10. And so I have 152 divided by 127 times 10, and the price here is £11.97, if you like, to two decimal places. And that's how we deal with part B. Right, and finally, what we have here is a situation where we know we're given some information, typically quarter one and quarter four, so we can work a few things. So we know that the actual event is 50 below the trend, so we know this is 50. And we know the actual event again here is 60 below the trend, so we know this is 130. So therefore, if I know quarter one and quarter four, I can do a high-low method and find out what the actual change in trend is. So that's quarter four, quarter one, and that's the That's the trend costs. And so I have 30 over 3, and that's equal to 10. So the change from one quarter to the next is 10. So I know this is 110. I know this is 120. So now that I know this, I know that the actual event is 90 above my trend. So that's 210. And here, if that means that my actual here is 20 above my trend, right? Because I'm adding the two together. And that's your table complete. Okay, brilliant.